Hello students, today we are solving Cambridge Checkpoint Maths 3 chapter number 16 sequence exercise number 16.2b, which is the last exercise of this chapter. For each of the sequence in question 1 to 10, derive a simplified formula for the nth term of the sequence. Use the position to term rule to find the value of the term shown. Find the value of 20th term in the sequence. Okay, for all the problems you have to find the 20th term. First of all, write the formula. Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. T1 is the first term, that is 5, plus n minus 1 multiplied by difference. Difference is the sequence is increasing by 2. 5 plus 2 into n will be 2n. 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. 2n plus 5 minus 2. I am arranging it. 2n plus 3 is our formula for finding the 20th term. Write down T20 equals to 2n plus 3. Now we have to substitute this n for 20. 20 plus 3, 40. 2 into 20 is 40 plus 3. So T20, the 20th term will be 43. This is our answer for problem number 1. Next one, question number 2. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. First we will write the formula. Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 into d. First term is 12 plus n minus 1 into the difference is the sequence increases by plus 2. So we'll write 2. 12 plus 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. Arrange the terms. 2n plus 12 minus 2. 2n plus 10 is the formula for finding the terms. We have to find 20th term in all the problems. So 2n plus 10. Now replace this n with 20 plus 10 minus 40 plus 10. So 20th term will be 50. 40 plus 10 is 50. This is the answer. Next one. First write the formula. Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by difference. Now the first term in this sequence is 4 plus n minus 1 multiplied by, what is the difference? The sequence is increasing by 5. 4 plus 5 into n is 5n. 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. Now 5n, arrange the terms, plus 4, 5n minus 1 is the formula. For all the problems we have to remove the 20th term. So write down T20 equals to 5n minus 1. Now we have to replace this n with 20. 5 bracket 20 5 bracket 20 minus 1. 5 2s are 10, 100 minus 1. The 28th term will be 100 minus 1, 99. This is the answer. Question number 4. First write the formula. Tn equals to t1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. The first term is 27 plus n minus 1. What is the difference? Difference is minus 3. The sequence is decreasing by 3, so minus 3. 27 plus minus 3 into n will be minus 3n, and minus 3 into minus 1 will be plus 3. So 27 plus into minus will be minus 3n plus 3. 27 plus 3 minus 3n. I am arranging the numbers. 30 minus 3n. This is the formula. Now we have to find T20, term 20. 30 minus 3n, that will be 30. We have to replace this n with 20. 30 minus 60. 30 minus 60. 28th term will be 30 minus 60. 30 minus 60 will be minus 30. This is the answer. Next term, next sequence. First write the formula. Tn equals to t1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. First term is 63 plus n minus 1 multiplied by difference. What is the difference? The sequence is decreasing by 10, so minus 10 we will take. 63 plus minus 10 into n will be minus 10n, minus 10 into minus 1 will be plus 10. Now eliminate the double sign. Minus 10n plus 10. 63 plus 10 minus 10n. 73 minus 10n is the formula which we have derived. Now in the B part we have to find 28th term. 73 minus 10n is the formula. Now we have to substitute this n with 20. 73 minus 10 bracket 20. 73 minus 10 to 10 20s is 200. So the 28th term will be minus 127. This is the answer. Okay, question number 6. Again, first write the formula in the A part. Tn equals to t1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. t1 is 102 plus n minus 1 into, now what is the difference? Difference is the sequence increase with 100 plus 100. 102 plus 100 into n is 100 n. 100 into minus 1 is minus 100. Now arrange the numbers. 100 n plus 102 minus 100. Now Tn formula is 100 n minus 2. Sorry, plus 2. This is the formula. Now we have to find 28th term. 100 n plus 2. We have to replace this n with 20. 100 bracket 20 multiplied by 20 plus 2. 20 into 100 is 2000 plus 2. The 28th term will be 2002. This is the answer for B. Problem number 7. Write the formula of the sequence Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1. You have to memorize the formula. First term is 87 plus n minus 1. The difference is it is decreasing by, sequence is decreasing by 11. So minus 11. 87 plus minus 11 n, multiplying minus 11 with n. Minus 11 into 1 will be plus 11. Now eliminate the double sign. 87 minus 11n plus 11. 87 plus 11 minus 11n. 98 minus 11n is the formula. Now we have to find the 28th term. Write the formula first. 98 minus 11n. Now replace this n with 20. 98 minus 11 bracket 20. This will be 98 minus 220. T20 will be, answer is minus 122. This is our answer for T20. Next one, write the formula first. Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. The first term is 0 plus n minus 1 into, what is the difference? The sequence increases by 15. Yes, plus 15. So 0 has no value. 15 into n is 15n. 15 into minus 1 is minus 15. This is the formula for this particular sequence. Now we have to remove 28th term. 28th term will be 15 n minus 15. This is the formula. Now we have to replace this n with 20. 15 bracket 20 minus 15. 15 into 20 is 300 minus 15. 300 minus 15 is 285. So the 28th term for this sequence is 285. Problem number 9. Write the formula Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. First term is minus 15 plus n minus 1 multiplied by difference. Okay, we can see that the sequence is increasing by 5 plus 5. Minus 15 plus 5 into n is 5n. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Arrange the numbers. Minus 15 minus 5. Tn formula is 5n minus 20. This is the formula. For question B, we have to find the 28th term. Write the derived formula 5n minus 20. Okay, 5n, we have to replace this n with 20. 5 bracket 20 minus 2, that is 100. 5 into 20 is 100 minus 20. T20 equals to 80. The 28th term for this sequence is 80. Last problem. First write the formula. Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. First term is minus 96 plus n minus 1 into difference is difference is the sequence is increasing by 12. Okay, 96 plus 12n, multiply this 12 with n, multiply this 12 with minus 1, that is minus 12. Now 12n, arrange the numbers, minus 96 minus 12, 12n minus 96, minus 96 minus 12, we will add this 108. Now this is the formula for our this particular sequence. Now find 28th term. Write the formula, 12n minus 108. 108 is the formula. Now replace this n with 20. 12 bracket 20 minus 108. 12 into 20 is 240 minus 108. T22. 240 minus 108 is 132. This is the answer for the 28th term. Hope you understood the exercise. Thank you very much for watching my video. You have to memorize the formula anyhow to solve these sequences.